What? What's going on? I wasn't expecting this. This is a brand new battery, but look at the voltage. It drops almost instantly. That shouldn't happen because it's a brand new battery. What? Hmm, let me think. So I tried it again. Hmm? Same result. The voltage drops way too fast. And at this point, I knew this wasn't normal behavior. Look at this battery. This battery claims a really high capacity. It is advertised as 5800 milliamp hours. On paper, it should last longer and perform better. But what I'm seeing here, the result is so confused. It is the complete opposite. Hey, let me check. So let's keep it simple. I'm going to use it like a normal battery. At this time, I am going to use these tools in order to check the capacity of this battery. And look at that. It struggles immediately. It feels weak. It can't keep up at all. So now the question is this just a bad unit? Or is something else going on? Step number 2. So I'm going to push it a bit harder by raise the current. Hey, look at the screen. Watch the voltage closely. There it goes again. That drop is way too aggressive. So I grab another battery. I have another battery, same type, same test. Let's compare. Now, look at this. At the 3, the voltage is much more stable. Absolutely, it drops steadily. And look at the capacity right here. It is raising. And it keeps delivering power. That's what you expect from a good battery. So clearly, something is off with this one, because even under same conditions, it performs way worse. This battery claims high capacity, 5800 milliamp hours, but in real use, it behaves like something much smaller. And that's the problem, because if you just the label like this, 5800 milliamp hours, you'd expect strong performance. But what you actually get is the opposite. And the scary part is from the outside. It looks completely normal. Nothing seems wrong until you test it. There are a lot of more batteries like this out there. And honestly, some of them are even worse. I test stuff like this all the time. And some results are pretty surprising. If you like these videos, hit subscribe. Bye bye. See you next time.